Hi everyone, Jungah here. Today I'll be talking about how to say I like you in Korean. We can express this phrase in a few different ways in Korean. The differences depend on how formal you want to be in saying it. I'll cover the three most common ways. The first is 좋아합니다, which is the formal version. You might use this in a more formal situation, such as an interview or a presentation. For example, you might say, 저는 한국을 좋아합니다. This phrase means I like Korea. The second way to say this is 좋아해요. This word is the standard version and you can use it in most situations. It's considered polite but not too formal. For example, you could say 저는 오빠를 좋아해요. This sentence means I like you, 오빠. The third way to say I like you is 좋아해. This word is the informal version. You can use this if you speak to someone you know very well or someone younger than you. For example, the informal version of I like you would be 나는 너를 좋아해. To summarize, you can say I like you in three different ways. 좋아합니다, 좋아해요, or 좋아해. Check out our resource page on I like you in Korean to learn more about this phrase. I'll put a link in the description below. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to get updated when our new videos become available. Bye for now!